I don't know if I imagined North Thailand that way to ride here. I think it's exceeding my expectations by far. Especially because the road conditions are so good. It's so much fun to ride here, and with the scenery, it's just unbelievable. This is what I woke up to. Very deep in the mountains between Thailand and Laos. At a beautiful little hotel. Day 2 on my way. Direction, thank you, Udon Thani to see Glenn, another guy from Allgäu, from the place I'm coming from. And yeah, on the list today, 2 scenic roads. Unfortunately, it was raining last night and it's all wet and all cloudy and all foggy. I just hope the scene will open up from the scenic roads. Oh yeah, the scene is opening up. Starts here. Just stopped the camera a minute ago and it's already beautiful with these mystic clouds in the morning that covers the hills. Wow. Chicken everywhere. Ooh. Traction nowhere. So this is my breakfast at one of these mountain villages. Nescafe can. One of these weird little cakes. You see, it's really little. And this gorgeous, I think it's honey with peanuts and sesame. That's really, really, really good. And all together, 5 items, 31 baht. That's 80 cents. Finally, I got my photo from the water buffalo. So I reached spot number 3 on Nick's recommendation list. This is the Scenic Road number 3, also called the Curvy Road. I was tempted to say in the summertime and the sunny season, this is one of the most beautiful and scenic roads in Thailand, but it's not correct. It is that, exactly that, during the whole year. Just now with a little rain. Day number 3 on my way to Udon Thani. As you see, again, the rain clouds are my best friend again today. I woke up in the morning, it was pouring down like hell. It's much better now, but still raining. still you need the rain clothes. It's only 200 something kilometers to go, 200 more. But it says 3.5 hours. As you can see, the rain has stopped right in time for me to reach my today's destination. Today's destination is an invitation by Glenn, and I must admit I even don't know him so really. Glenn used to live in my hometown, Sonthofen. I remember his face on the pictures from long time ago when we were all young. Obviously he lives in Thailand now with his, I guess, wife. What I know is that he was following me on Facebook from the very beginning of my journey, and when he recognized that I will come to Southeast Asia, he told me, hey, when you're in my area, just drop by, and that's what I'm doing now.
All right, we are at my friend Glenn here in... Glenn, where are we?
Naka,
Okay.
Udon Thani.
Udon Thani. Just washed down my bike and all the accessories, bags and the stuff. And lucky as I am, Glenn's stepson is a mechanic and he can weld aluminium. So these shitty spots on my Touratech case, we freed them from their mountings and now he's gonna weld that. And that is much better than my liquid glue that I used before. And additionally, we will make some stiffening metal inside. It gives me peace of mind when I'm going through China. That's how it looks after welding. Great job.
Here you see the result of our work. Not only the welding, also an additional piece of metal down there that stiffens the spot where the screws are in. Should have been there in the first place, but it wasn't. Touratech, a lesson to learn. But I didn't only do this, I also discovered while cleaning the bike that there were, very bad, 2 cracks in the rear frame. Lucky as I am, Glenn's stepson also welded the rear frame for me, so I feel ready to go to China, at least with these parts.
That was an amazing little afternoon and evening with Glenn and his family. A little bit north of Udon Thani. I'm on the way now to Khon Kaen. This is a town only 130 kilometers away from Udon Thani, where I slept last night with another triumph leader. Tomorrow evening, on Friday, they have what they call night run. It's a bikers party with more than 200 participants, and I'm going to be part of it.
Sawadee krab. I'm George from Triumph Khon Kaen. Now we are in Khon Kaen night ride. Yes, please welcome.
Part here of the Triumph booth. By coincidence, I'm just in town for their event here, and I was here for the service of my bike. Brought it yesterday, picked it back up today, did a great job, and now I'm ready for my big journey through Laos, China, Tibet and Nepal, where there are no Triumph leaders.
ทั่วโลกเลยนะครับ
ทั่วโลกเลย
ทั่วโลกเลยนะครับ โอเค ขอเสียงปรบมือต้อนรับมิสเตอร์จอร์จมาเลยนะครับมิสเตอร์จอร์จมาเลยนะครับกับ Triumph Tiger 1,200 ซีซีคันนี้ขี่ไปแล้วทั่วโลกนะครับ โอเค Mr. George may you introduce yourself please
Hi, my name is Jörg, and I'm very happy, lucky to be here today. I was on my way south in Thailand, and I had to do a service on my bike, and I couldn't have found a better place. Thani Khon Kaen and Udon here to do this service for me.
โอเค เขาบอกว่าเขารู้สึกยินดีนะครับ
So for me, to introduce myself, my name is Jörg. I'm from Germany, and I decided 2 years ago to sell everything at home, quit my job, leave my house, and go on a trip around the world. Now I'm on my way for 1 year. For more than 60,000 kilometers, I went 9 months in America, North America, Central and South America, and lately I flipped the bike from Chile to Malaysia.
โอเคเขาบอกว่าเขานะครับ แล้วก็มาถึงมาเลเซีย แล้วก็มาถึงประเทศไทยนะตอนนี้ครับ
We're now here. It's 2 months around Asia, and my trip is going on for another year.